Now we proceed to para number 2. So, in the previous paragraph, we have seen the introduction of Wally, her desire, her likes, her dislikes, and what is the ultimate source of her joy, unending source of joy. That is the set of passengers who came out of the bus, who entered the bus. This incident is the ultimate, unending source of joy for Wally. But for Wally, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. Gave her many new unusual experiences. Again, we are repeating the same lines. Please see. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour. There, that line is missing. Now here you can see it passed through her street each hour, once going to the town, once coming back. The sight of the bus, filled each time with a new set of passengers, was a source of unending joy for Wally. So this we have discussed. So we have discussed this part. No need to discuss again. So one line you must remember: it passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. It happens hourly, and Wally enjoyed it. It is a great source of enjoy. It is a great source of joy for Wally, and it is also the most fascinating thing. She liked it. The sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passengers was a source of unending joy. Remember this one. Day after day, she watched the bus. Gradually, a tiny wish crept into her head. That is very important. Again, I am repeating the line. See, day after day, she watched the bus. So this is the habit of Wally. Wally used to watch the bus coming and going. Gradually, suddenly, a tiny wish, a small desire crept into her head. Meaning is this: one desire strikes her mind. A tiny wish crept into her head means one idea struck her mind and grew there. What was the idea? She wanted to ride on that bus. She had this desire. She had developed this desire that she also wanted to ride on that bus, even if just once. That is a small desire of Wally. Wally had a desire to ride on that bus, if just once. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Now, earlier it was a desire. I don't understand. Earlier it was a desire. Now it becomes a wish. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Earlier it was a desire. Now it is a wish of what? Traveling by bus. Riding by bus. That is the desire. Earlier it was desire. Now it is wish. There is a difference between the wish and desire. There is a difference between wish and desire. If we try to understand the difference between wish and desire, we can understand the difference between them, means wish and desire, in the terms of degree. The degree of wish, the degree of wish is greater than desire. Wish is more powerful than desire. Okay, we have a lot of desires, but every desire cannot be fulfilled. But when we have a wish, we try to fulfill it at any cost. And here, what was the wish of earlier? It was a desire. Now it has become a wish. And what is the wish of Wally? To travel, to ride on that bus. Earlier it was a desire, now it has become wish. Means she had a strong desire. Wally would stare wistfully. Wistfully here means longingly at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Their faces would kindle in her longings, dreams, hopes. She started thinking about the people who came out of the bus, who traveled on the bus, who entered the bus. She saw their faces. Okay, then her desire became more powerful. Their faces would kindle in her longings, dreams, and hopes. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights of this, one day, what happened? One of her friend got a chance to ride the bus, and now that uh, friend was describing the sight of the bus. Now, this made her more desirable. This made her more desirable that she had a great wish to travel by bus. Wally would be too jealous to listen out. Wally would be too jealous. She was jealous. Why? Because what was her desire? What was the desire? What was the wish of Wally? To ride on the bus? Okay. But one of her friend did it. That's why she was jealous. Too jealous to listen out. Shout. In English, proud, proud. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often, a slang of expression of disapproval. A slang expression here means an informal way of disapproval. Okay. So here in the para number 2, we have seen the desire of wish of Wali. Once what happened when she was watching the set of the passenger coming and going out of the bus. She had a desire. Her desire turned into wish. She had a firm wish to fulfill her desire. And what was her desire? To travel by bus. And further we see that one of her friend got a chance to travel by bus. Now she is describing her experiences, and Wally was listening her experiences minutely, attentively, and she was also jealous. Why? Because her dream remained dream. She said in proud. Neither she nor her friends understood it. This is the informal way of speaking, and they used it. They didn't know the meaning. So पैरा नंबर 2 में हमने देखा कि वाली जो है लोगों को देखती थी, बस में आते थे जाते थे, तो उसके अंदर एक विचार आया कि मैं भी क्या है बस से ट्रैवल करूँगी। इसके लिए उसे ज़रूरत थी कि उसकी टाइमिंग क्या है, बस की कब आती है कब जाती है, ठीक है। और ये जो विश था बहुत स्ट्रांग होता चला गया धीरे धीरे, क्योंकि वो आदी हो गई थी पैसेंजर्स को आना जाना, बस उतरना चढ़ना, ये सब देख देख तो उसके अंदर तीव्र इच्छा आ गई कि मैं भी क्या करूँगी बस से ट्रैवल करूँगी। और इसके लिए वो डिटरमिन्ड होती है। और एक घटना और घटित होती है बीच में कि उसकी एक दोस्त जो है बस से ट्रैवल करती है और वो अपना अनुभव बता रही होती है, और जब बताती है तो वाली को बहुत जेलस महसूस होता है। ऑब्वियस सी बात है, वुड बी टू जेलस टू लिसन, उसको देख रही है, सुन रही है तो उसको जेलसी आ रही है अंदर, ये ट्रैवल कर ली मैं नहीं कर पाई। तो इसी बीच जो है वो चिल्लाना शुरू करती है प्राउड प्राउड। इसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं समझ पाता है, लेकिन जो है एक इनफॉर्मल वे में लोग बोलते हैं वैसे ही बोले और ये चीज़ रही। नाउ वी मूव टू पैरा नंबर 3. Over many days and months, Wali listened carefully to conversations between her neighbors and people who regularly use the bus. Now, this is the another aspect of Wali's nature. Before taking journey, she tried to collect the information. When people were talking about the journey of the bus, she listened them. Why? Because she wanted to collect the information before riding bus. See, so over many days and months, Wali listened carefully to conversations between her neighbors and people who regularly use the bus. She also asked a few discreet here means careful questions here and there. Okay, so what here Wali is doing? Wali is trying to collect the information regarding the traveling. How did she travel? She is collecting the basic information by hearing the conversation that took place between her neighbors and people. Between her neighbors and people. This way, she picked up various small details about the bus journey. So, this is the way how Wali was collecting the information regarding bus journey. The town was 6 miles from her village. So, through conversation, she came to know what is the distance between her village and the town, that is 6 miles. The fare was 30 paise one way, which is almost nothing at all. She heard one well-dressed man say, but to Wali, who scarcely hardly saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortune. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same bus. This means that she could take 1 o'clock afternoon bus, that is the timing, and reach the town at 1:45 and be back home by 2:45. On and on went her thoughts as she calculated, recalculated, planned and replanned. So in pair number 3, we saw that Wali had collected the basic information regarding bus. Okay. She came to know about the distance between the town and her village, that is 6 miles. She also came to know the fare, that is 30 paise one way. She had to go and she had to return also. She thought that 30 paise one way means there is need of 60 paise because she will go there and after that she came back. After that, she also came to know that the timing. What will the timing? How much time will it take to reach town and return? So one way, that is 45 minutes. It will take 45 minutes to reach town, and when she return again 45 minutes will be taken, and when she return then again she had to pay 30 paise. She return home on the same bus, and it means that she had to take 1 o'clock afternoon bus and reach the town 1:45, and again she will return 2:45. On and on went on. So you can say these thoughts are running in the mind of Wali, and Wali had a desire to fulfill her dream, her wish, that is traveling by bus. And before it, she has collected a lot of information regarding bus traveling, bus journey. तो इस पैराग्राफ में हमने ये देखा कि जब समय बीतता चला गया तो वाली जो है लोगों के कन्वर्सेशन को सुना करती थी और उससे वाली ने कई महत्वपूर्ण जानकारियाँ प्राप्त की बस ट्रैवल के या बस जर्नी के संबंध में, जैसे कि बस का किराया क्या है, उसके गांव से शहर की दूरी कितनी है, ठीक है, कितना किराया लगेगा आने का जाने का, टाइमिंग क्या है, कितने बस चलेगी, कितने बजे आएगी। तो ये सारी चीज़ें उसने कलेक्ट की। इन सारी चीज़ों का इंफॉर्मेशन उसने क्या है कलेक्ट किया। और इसके बाद वो सोचने लगी कि ऐसे करेंगे, मतलब उसने कैलकुलेट किया, रिकैलकुलेट किया, प्लान किया, फिर रीप्लान किया। तो दिस इज गोइंग ऑन इन द माइंड ऑफ वाली। मीन्स दैट इफ वाली is willing to fulfill her desire, her wish, then she had to do all these things. Okay, she had to maintain all these things. So that is all about this part 1. So in the part 1 we have seen the introduction of the main character, that is Wali. Next we have seen the nature of Wali, her behavior, her likes, her dislikes, her activities. Okay, next we saw that Wally was delighted whenever she saw a set of passengers entered the bus or came out of the bus. This sight provided her a lot of joy. Okay, next we have seen that she uh, had collected basic information regarding bus journey. For example, what is the distance between her village and town, what is the fare, what is the timing. So all these things are collected by uh, Wali, and she was making plan. Okay, she was replanning it, she was planning it, she was calculating and recalculating. Means she was doing her work in order to fulfill her desire. Okay, that is the part 1 which we have discussed. Thank you.